Okay, if you're doing this on Chromebook, consider yourself lucky. It's in my opinion, a lot easier to do this on Chromebook than it is to do it on the iPad. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to adjust the size of your rows and your columns. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to click on whichever row. Let's go ahead and click on number 5. Whatever row you want, and then if you're on a Chromebook, you might have a double arrow, but if you notice in between 5 and 6, that little blue line lit up, and I have an arrow. I'm going to hold my mouse down and I'm going to drag it, and that adjusts the size, and of course I can make it smaller. I can do the same thing for a column. Again, if you're on Chromebook, you might have a double arrow with the arrow pointing both ways. And same thing if you're on any kind of desktop computer. You're going to wait till this highlights or you have a double arrow or a single arrow up here, and you'll be able to adjust the size. Now, if you need to adjust all of your rows or most of your rows and most of your columns to be the same height, all you have to do is click this button or click this space that's above the 1 and to the left of the A. Or of course, if that stays the same, okay? That button always stays the same. So you just click this corner button, and all it does is highlight your entire sheet. And then what you can do is you can drag, you go in between two numbers. Doesn't matter which two, it could be any two. I'll go between 7 and 8. And it's going to adjust the size of your rows. 1 is sometimes easy because you can see that, well, normally you can see the blue. Anyway, you know where the top is, okay? Same thing for the columns. You can adjust it any size you want, and all the columns appear to be the same size. So that's super helpful. And then to unselect every single sheet, you just click a cell. Now let's say I want them to be the same height or the same size except for the first row, because I want to be able to type headings up here. So you can just drag and move that individual row to make it smaller or larger as you need. Maybe I'm looking at these and I'm like, oh, I don't really like that so much. So I'm going to go ahead and make them all smaller, a little bit smaller because I want it to look like a square. Except for the problem is I just did that with number 2. I didn't do that with all of them. So then I would adjust number 2 to what I like, and now they're all that size. Again, I'm going to make one a little bit smaller. If I want to highlight, I know I didn't say that that's what I was going to do. I can come up here to the window pane and I can add my borders. So there you have it.